They call me Rap Key. Why boy we not the year one? Oh yeah nah. See, I'm at your services, dope lines I am rendering. I am the reason all these rappers not surrendering. Give me the money, I'm always ready to count. Killer flows, I dey spit anytime I open my mouth, eh? They say I'm bad cause I kill rappers. Blood stains everywhere like saying I'm mess rapper. Hey, I am the key, without me nobody goes. I got the swag running down from the head to my toes, eh? I'm on the beat, when I go feel say I be SARS. I wish I study law, people for feel say I be fast. Cause the way I rap is intelligent. I got a vision, I go fit campaign for president. Under your nose, I took over your residence, and after then I'll be heading for the main event. Hey, who'll be your best rapper? Rap Key. After today you will never see us wearing khaki.